Are you looking for an amazing way to enhance your website for really cheap? Great! I'm Keegan with Mighty Sites, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So, if you're already using Mighty Sites, you know that it's a flexible platform that's only $9 a month, makes it really easy for local business owners to create a website for their business. Now, I'm excited to introduce something brand new. We are introducing a multi-page version of the site, which lets you do a ton of things, but specifically one really cool thing, because we're partnered with Elfsight. Click on the link below, which similarly helps small business owners get really great widgets onto their website. Let me show you what I mean. So in partnering with Elfsight, they are a company that has all different types of beautiful widgets that can easily be added to a website if it's built the right way, which Mighty Sites is. So on your new website platform, you're going to notice that there's options to add code from Elfsight. And basically what that means is any widget you want to create with them, which is super easy to do, you create the widget, it gives you a little bit of code, you paste that code into Mighty Sites, and boom, just like that, now that widget appears on your Mighty Sites website. It's a perfect partnership. The link's down below to check out this new service. So basically, if I want to add, let's say, my Facebook reviews, well, I would go here and I would create this widget for free. You get one free widget. After that, I think you get 3 widgets, and it's only $10 a month to have those widgets. So if I go over here, you can see this is what the widget looks like, and you have all different options to set up the widget in different ways. So you can have it be just sitting right here on the side of your site. You can put it in like this. You can add it as a badge. You can add it as a dark carousel. You can add them as a list. All you have to do is select the format that you like and then copy and paste the code. Now, the really cool thing is that this works for all types of widgets. So it doesn't matter if you want to add your Google reviews, appointment booking, you can set up a widget with them. You could add a photo gallery. You go through and you do the exact same thing. You just select how you want that widget to look, what you want your gallery to look like, upload your photos to your gallery, copy the code, and paste it into your Mighty Sites website, and it appears as a row on your website. Let me show you from the logged in view what this looks like. So if I go into the logged in section, any of the widgets that I've created, so a Google Maps widget, Google Reviews widget, they're all right here. And when I want to install on my site, I just click on that and it generates the code. Then I just click on this little copy code button and I go over and paste it into where I want it on my Mighty Sites website. And then to add new apps or widgets, you just click right here to add them, and you can click on any of your widgets that you're using through the site. Now, let me show you their pricing because it's really straightforward and simple. So if I go over here to select a plan, you can see $10 a month, 50,000 views, you'll be just fine under that limit. 9 widgets, $5 a month for 3 widgets, which is probably what most of you will end up doing. But if you do need way more, you could get 9 for $10. So you can see the pricing is really straightforward, $5 to $10 a month. It's free if you're just using one widget for 200 views. So you can just try this out, make sure it works for you. You'll see how easy it is to add it to your Mighty Sites website. And all of a sudden you can create a very robust website with all sorts of beautiful dynamic content, all for under, if you're using this free version, and $9 for Mighty Sites, $9. If you're using this, $14 a month to have a professional website for your local business with all this dynamic content. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll put the links to Elfsight and to Mighty Sites down below so you can make sure to give them a try and get the best website for your local business at a price you can afford. Catch you in the next video.